In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude in your browser step by step, so you can start chatting, uploading files, and getting useful responses right away. Whether you're completely new to Claude or you just want a simple walkthrough, this guide will help you get set up fast and use it with confidence. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any modern browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to Claude.ai. This will take you directly to the official Claude website. When the page loads, you'll see options to sign in or create a Claude account. If you already have an account, just log in with your details. If you're new, follow the prompts to create your account. This usually takes just a few moments, and once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main Claude interface. Now that you're inside Claude, look for the new chat button. Click it to start a fresh conversation. This is where you can ask questions, brainstorm ideas, write content, summarize information, or get help with tasks. To begin chatting, simply type your prompt into the message box. Be clear and specific with what you want Claude to do. For example, you can ask it to write, explain, compare, summarize, plan, or help you troubleshoot something. The more detail you give, the better the response usually becomes. If you want to upload a file or an image, click the plus button next to the message box. From there, you can choose a file from your computer or upload an image for Claude to review. This is useful if you want help analyzing a document, reading text from an image, or working with reference material. After typing your prompt or adding your file, press Enter to send your message. Claude will process your request and generate a response in the chat window. You can read through the answer, copy useful information, and then decide what to do next. One of the best parts of using Claude in the browser is that you can keep the conversation going. If the answer is not exactly what you wanted, just ask a follow-up question. You can refine your request, ask for a shorter version, a more detailed version, or a completely different style. This back and forth makes it much easier to get the result you want. You can also build on earlier responses. For example, if Claude gives you a draft, you can ask it to improve the tone, simplify the language, add examples, or reorganize the content. Instead of starting over every time, you can keep improving the same conversation. And that's the basic process for using Claude in your browser. Open your browser, go to Claude.ai, sign in or create an account, start a new chat, type your prompt or upload a file, press Enter, and keep the conversation going with follow-up questions. Once you get used to it, Claude becomes a very powerful tool for writing, research, planning, and everyday productivity. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.